fasting. Peace. The number one killer or ambition. What is the number one killer or ambition? First of all, I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing right now. I'm at my second job right now. I'm about to go clock in and put in the work, right? And let me tell you, every day I wake up with ambition. I wake up with the ambition to conquer the world, to be successful in life, be successful for the people that I love and the people that love me. And then the number one killer or ambition is your habits. If you smoke, if you drink, and comfort and habits are the number one killers or ambition, or your ambition to conquer the world, or your ambition to be success. And I don't smoke, I don't read, I don't do any of that. I go to the gym every single day, and I know when I go to the gym, I feel way better. Sometimes I don't feel like go to the gym, and I still go to the gym because I know when I do the hard things in my life becomes easy. And that's what you need to do. You need to start drinking, start smoking, be a role model for you people. If you got kids, be a role model for the kids. And that's it for this video. I'm gonna post it tonight. So I am the Fasty Beast.